So today we're gonna be reviewing my fireworks stash. I'm gonna pull things out one at a time, and I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. Alright, that was a little sneak peek, but here we go. First thing I'm pulling out is this is ground bloomers. Basically, you saw in my other video, they just spin around. Yeah. This is my mortar tube. Yeah. Next thing. Oh my god. This is my another mortar tube. Next thing is a rocket. A rocket. Next thing is, oh, I love these. These are really good. I recommend these if you like firecrackers. Tornado crackers, I did it on my channel. They are pretty small. They are this big here. Alright. Next thing we have is, I'm just reaching it. Is it a Roman candle? Oh no. So I'm gonna be doing this on my channel. I do not know what this does. This is a new product for me. It's flaming spear. Caution, it shoots sparks. Red. So it's red. Next thing is these mini Roman candles. The size of this. Alright. Next thing is some mortars for this too. Yeah. Next thing is I have these. These are for little kids. Next thing is, I put out two things I have. This, it's a Roman candle, it's white. And I put out one of these little mortars. Next thing we have here I did a review on these. These are the mega ground bloomers. These are basically these, but they go 10 times bigger, and they have like a fountain effect. And these, I hate these, but these are strobes. They flash. Yeah, I don't really like them. And I'm just gonna grab a handful of these. I have a whole bunch of M80s here. Sorry about these. I have like a whole bunch of like M80s and stuff, so we could put that to the side. Next thing we have is one of those mortars. Yeah. Tornado firecrackers, one of these strokes. And then we got some of these. Next we have 3 more M80s, 2 of these ball shells, and this. I do not know what this is. I'll be reviewing it on my channel. Next up, I feel a lot of sticks. So these are like for little kids, like these really little Roman candles. This is how small they are. For a pack of them. Then I have just 4 Roman candles. Next up we got is more Roman candles. One of these. Oh, I did one of these on my channel. They go like this, and they go up in the air and they crackle. We did one. And we have another one. Nice one. Oh, so I found these in my basement. I do not know what they do. I'll be doing a review on these. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I just have a whole bunch of other oh wait. What is this? Oh, it's basically one of those ground bars. I have like a whole bunch of M80s, one of those crackers. Also, this is all I got. Let me know if you want to see any of these in a YouTube video. And yeah, peace.